All right, has summer racing once again, because apparently this place doesn't get enough of my money. I've already been inside. Today we're going to talk about what's in here, because Mopars as a whole, not just the Challengers, not just the Chargers, but Mopar as a whole seems to have a problem with ball joints. It's Texas. It's hot. It's you get it. So I'm still in my work clothes. Oh, check out the Dapper. Oh my God. Anyway, we're gonna go change real quick, and then I'm gonna talk about an unboxing while we're here at K1. Am I racing? Probably not. Like I preached to everybody else on the channel, power to weight ratio, and my weight and that power, there's no ratio. Let's be serious. So I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna change, then we're gonna come out here and talk. Stay tuned. Texans and their fucking Whataburger.
Oh, yeah, man.
Bullshit. In-N-Out's life, right?
You're not from Texas?
You are right.
Are you from Texas?
No, from North Carolina.
Oh, that's why.
Moved out here 2 years ago. I've had that 3 times, and I've gotten food poisoning 3 times.
Well, it's the wrong one. You got the wrong one.
The wrong one. I went to 3 different ones.
You know,
there's no excuse.
You know barbecue, though.
Exactly.
You know dry rub barbecue.
Of course. Okay, now that we're on the barbecue subject, why can nowhere in Texas get proper coleslaw? It's all like ultra cream based.
Yeah.
And just,
Texas cream based. You're from is vinegar based.
It's vinegar based. That's how it's supposed to be.
I like both, but
I can't do the cream based. What the hell are you drinking?
Water, because it's hot as fuck.
bacon.
Bacon and eggs.
White people.
Water.
Anyway, okay, so we got some shorts and flip-flops on now. So we're back to being proper. So we're gonna discuss a problem today with Mopar. We got people over here, but we're gonna discuss a problem with Mopar. So, very heavy cars, right? If you wanna lower your vehicle, which 90% of Mopar owners do, because when you get them from the factory, they are fucking dump trucks. If you don't get adjustable control arms or camber bolts, whatever, you're gonna have issues. Now what I mean by issues is like what I'm dealing with right now. So, if I put my car in park, no problem. As soon as I put it in driver reversed, you'll hear a clunk, right? At first, I was thinking, something's loose under the hood. Not what it was. What it is we got an upper ball joint failure, okay? No problem. So, we got other stuff coming to the channel here very soon. Fuck it, I'll go ahead and tell you. This thing's going on coilovers. I am now sponsored by Tuner Goods. Thank you, Mike. And we have a custom set of BC coilover D2s coming to this thing. 30-way dampening, height adjustable, blah, 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 blah. But what I have to show you today is what I need to have fixed. So my thought process in the beginning was, let's just do different ball joints, right? Everybody and the mother goes, don't just do ball joints. Go ahead and replace the entire... Nice.
Bacon.
Nice. Anyway, everybody's like, go ahead and just replace the upper control arm, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. So this is what we got. So from SPC Performance, we got these big old meaty sons of bitches. So aluminum control arms. You notice how this is a lot longer right here? It's because they're adjustable left and right. We're gonna completely replace the fronts. Bushings are already pressed in, and then let's see how beefy the ball joints are. Oh my God. Look at that. There you go. So this is actually in preparation right now for the coilovers that are on the way. So with the coilovers, we'll be able to get rid of a little bit more tire gap. Not quite as much as her, because Jesus Christ. But up here, we're still 1 finger-ish. And then in the back, we're running a shorter sidewall now, so I can fit the 305, and that is no bueno. No bueno. No Mary Jane Rotten Crush around here, so we have to put this bitch on the ground. Okay, so more than likely those will be going on this weekend. Yes, there'll be a video. Yes, we'll show you how to install them, because we know how much you guys love that shit. But in the meantime, we're at K1 Speed, some kind of car meet that Andy invited us to. God, he's awkward on camera.
It's usually pretty good. Sometimes it's a miss, most times it's a hit.
Well, it's funny because what I'm already noticing is you got muscle, rice. Holy rice. Don't worry, everyone. We'll go get video of the rice. Oh, by the way, Texas, okay? This is what we mean by Texas weather. See that? That wasn't there 10 minutes ago. You see that? That wasn't there 10 minutes ago. That is gonna be rain.
That's right.
That's definitely gonna be rain. Thank God for ceramic coating. Ooh. Oh, the Destroyer Gray looks so good. God damn it. All right, we'll start over here with this rice. 6'4", Mopar everything. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a really big fan of the TAs. Oh, fuckboy sticker. Andy, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and call you out on YouTube. We need to race. And you know what I want to put up for the race? I want your 6 pistons.
Oh yeah.
He's like, whoa.
6 grand in brakes, yeah, no.
God. 6 grand?
For, yeah, the 6 piston kit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know how much mine cost? $800. Thank you, Cleveland Power and Performance.
2-piece rotors in the front, the 4s in the back.
Nah, you lost me. Never mind. I'm all right. I mean, that just sounds like more shit that could possibly break, and I'm not really interested. I got enough shit to deal with on that thing.
Yeah, they work.
Can I open it? Oh, see the white gauges. Dope.
Let me turn my
Seats are sick.
shit on here.
I was just telling everyone that while, yes, I talk mad shit about V8s, if I was to get another Challenger and it wasn't a Hellcat, it would be a TA. They did the TA properly.
My gauges are coming up on the screen.
Oh, he just wants to rub it in. I have those on my little dash, the little Evic. It kind of go. It's funny though because you could tell that it's still programmed for a V6, so it'll be like 250 horsepower, never go above that. I'm like, fucking liar. Lies. Lies.
Oh, here you go.
Super clean.
You're gonna yell at me.
Oh God. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Shit, I'm kind of jealous, to be honest.
This shit's heavy now.
Is it?
Oh, yeah, it's like 65 pounds.
Oh! What?
Yeah.
Ugh.
It has like an 800 watt amp and the subs.
But
right there.
does it actually bump?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's the only thing. We were just talking about this yesterday. It's the only thing I want to change, not performance-wise, to my vehicle. I want a better sound system because I have the Alpine system, and it is straight garbage.
It's all weight.
It is all weight.
All your amps and there's the magnets on battery. I mean on speakers. Or
What's up, man? I need a quick release kit for a sound system.
if you just,
Someone makes it, damn it.
it's called a Mega Boom speaker.
What?
Just put it on your dash.
Oh, fuck you.
Think
I'm
about
not
this
doing
way.
that.
The weight that you're taking out for your coilovers and your wheels.
Yeah.
And your
No, no,
Can go
no,
in
I'm not
now.
doing no. No.
So then you
See,
can-
I take out another 80 pounds and it's that much faster.
But then you add 80 pounds of sound.
She drives a show car,
80 pounds of sound.
everyone.
That should be a sticker.
It really should. Wait,
Should.
you used to work at Radio Shack?
No. Sadly.
Nasty. Ah. Well, at least he has good taste in bikes. Look at the marks he left. I don't know how he did it, but welcome to CC's Pizza. So, John made it. Hi, John.
Hi.
John's part of the AARP. We could tell by his vehicle.
I got this hearing aid for 75% off.
Oh my God. Don't you gotta be home right now? Don't you have like weekly Metamucil right now? Prostate's flaring up like a tiki hut.
Look, I know where you live and I'm on a plane every week.
Wow! And he's on a watch list. There it is. Holy shit, no fly list for you. Aloha snack bar.
Took a left on Bakalaka Street.
What? Oh, okay. Well, anyway. All right, guys. That's the video. We're done. We got to get this one back in his cage. Like, share, subscribe, comment, all that crazy shit. Stay savage.
There's the white gorilla.